bookkeeping on QuickBooks Online. First, create or log into your QuickBooks Online account. So go to quickbooks.intuit.com, sign up for a free trial or log in with your existing account. Set up your company settings. So click the gear icon in the top right, account and settings, and add your business name, industry, and start date. Connect your bank and credit card accounts. Go to banking, connect account, search your bank, log in securely to import transactions automatically. Categorize transactions in the banking tab. Review each transaction and assign the correct category. Record income for unpaid invoices. Go to sale invoices, create and send. For paid sales, go to sales receipts. To record expenses, go to expenses, new expense, enter vendor, amount, date, and category. To reconcile your accounts monthly, go to banking, select your account, reconcile, then match with your bank statement to ensure accuracy. Then generate financial reports. Go to reports, choose profit and loss, balance sheet, or cash flow to check your business finances. If this helps you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.